So let's start. This is my SharePoint site for the human resources channel that we used in our previous lab. If you cannot see, then go to your team and here and just go to, you would also have a general channel here. I don't have one because I didn't create it. By default, every team that we create here would have a general channel. You can use that, or if not, then you can go to the one that we created, absence. Now go to shared, and here you would have this option. You can click on these three dots and click on open in SharePoint. Once you do that, SharePoint would create this page for you. So you would have this site there. Now, first thing we have to do is create a library. So let's go and create a document library. So we'll start with a blank library and name it policies, right? And then who can see the policies that you can see? Uh, so right now, mm, general, all employees unrestricted. So right now I'll do that. Okay, I had to put the policies here. So we can put a description here. We can keep it none if we want to. I could have made it unrestricted as well. So that's a choice. So let's create. So this is our library, and these are some default columns that is given here. Now we'll add some columns here. So we can go and say date and time. Here we can say when it is reviewed. And the default value is today's date. Okay, and save it. So this is reviewed, and then we will add one more column, and this time we'll select a person. Name would be owner. Who is the owner? Okay, and then save it. One more column, and close. Next. By default would be status would name would be status. Right now, what choices we want to put here? So is it reviewed or is it due or review or is it overdue? Right. So this can be pre-status and by default it should be reviewed. Okay, and then save it. Now let's upload some documents here. So the one file that you have downloaded, that is the lab1, right? Under that, you have these files. So let's go to documents and upload a few files. So we are going to select from here the train cost, the train by dev, mobile phone policy, trained by dev newsletter, and trains by dev privacy policy. These are the four that we'll select and put it here. Would be uploaded. So this is the by default status, right? That is showing as reviewed. Now let's edit this and make some of them outdated, right? Because all have the latest stamp and all are reviewed. So let's do some changes here and change the date and everything. So for that, we'll go to edit in grid view. Um, for me, it took a few minutes to appear. If you cannot see this option, maybe you want to select some of them and then you can go to deselect it and then like this would kind of refresh the view. So go to edit in grid and let's make some of them outdated. So I will go to 6 months back. So let's say December, November. Okay, change some of. The idea here is that let's make them outdated. All right. And here, who is the owner? So for now, I am the only one in this account. So myself, I'm the owner. And this is the latest step. All are old. Others are six month old, right? All are reviewed. Now exit the grid view. And this is how it is updated now. So our exercise one is complete and we have a library that has some of the files are outdated. Now in the next exercise, we'll design a policy to review for the review schedule. Okay.